Hi everyone, I'm Chelsea and I'm going to be talking to you today about my gut healing program. So when I first came to Drugless doctors, I was experiencing a lot of gallbladder issues. Not just that, but also food sensitivity problems. And I had been experiencing this for about 5 years. And I went to primary care, and they essentially said, IBS, lactate pills will help you with your issues. I was having stool problems, very irregular. And then obviously in comes the gallbladder problem. I had numerous tests done, CAT scans, to see what the true issue was. I was told you don't have a problem, everything is fine. And then I was told, oh no, you probably should just get your gallbladder out. And I did not want to go that route. So when I came to Drugless doctors, we focused on that and to my gut. Ever since starting the gut healing program, I have been able to figure out my triggers with food, things that I should avoid, foods that I should incorporate in my body, and it has been life-changing. I do not have the gallbladder pain like I used to. I was able to start taking the gallbladder supplement to be able to help with that, which I still take daily, and I love it. But throughout the gut healing journey, through all of the phases, the first phase was obviously very detrimental to me. It was a huge cleanse. I couldn't believe how horrible my gut really was. And it truly changed the trajectory of my eating habits, my health in general, how much happier I feel like I am now. I'm significantly less bloated. I can fit into my jeans. So yeah, very, very excited to be able to share these things with you. I feel like I have a better stool now. I'm regular. So that's always a plus. No Miralax, none of that stuff. But yeah, that's my journey.